Welcome to the next lesson in this module, where you'll learn how to edit the files within an Android project. Android Studio has two main sets of files that you will edit: Java source code files that contain the logic of your app, and resource files, such as the user interface layout files. There are a couple other types of files, such as the Gradle build scripts, which will very rarely be edited, and which you won't be required to edit at all in this course. So we're going to focus in this lesson on how to create and edit Java source code files and resource files. As you progress learning how to develop for the As you progress learning how to develop for the Android platform, you will come to the point where you need to create your own Java classes. Creating your own Java class is easy and is accomplished by right-clicking on the Java package you wish to create your file in. So for example, right-clicking on this package, then you go to the New menu option and click Java Class. This will ask you the name of your new Java class. Java classes by convention have their first letter capitalized and then only capitalize the first letter of new words. So for example, here is my custom logic class, which only capitalizes the C and L. Click OK, and you will create a new Java class file that you can work with. Creating a new resource file is easy and is accomplished by right-clicking in the folder you wish for the new file to be created within. The new resource file wizard will pop up and ask you for details about the kind of resource file you are trying to create. The window will ask slightly different things depending on which resource folder you right-clicked on. If this new resource file that we are creating is a layout file for our custom logic class, then we will right-click on the Layout folder, go to New, click Layout Resource File, and enter the name custom_logic.xml. Click OK. A new resource file will be created for us. Resource files are named in all undercase with underscores between each name, so in our case, custom_logic. Now you have a resource file that you can edit just as you would your previous resource files. Now that you've completed this lesson, you should understand how to create, open, and edit both Java source code files and resource files.